What if you're about to hop on Zoom, but instead you're the one scrambling because your outdated Zoom app crashes? Zoom updates are frequent and essential. Every few weeks, Zoom releases new tools from AI features to security improvements. If you don't update, you might be missing out and left vulnerable. But stick around because I'm going to show you how to know if you're out of date and how to get the next version installed. It all starts here, using the Zoom Workplace app that's installed on your computer. Just click the Zoom icon that you see most likely on your computer's desktop, or if you're on a Windows computer in the taskbar, or if you're on a Mac in the dock. And this is going to open up. This is the home screen. And then look in the upper right corner where you see your profile picture. If you don't see your profile picture, it's probably your initials. And if you don't see this page, it's probably asking you to sign in. So go ahead and do that with your Zoom account. Once you click up there by your profile picture, come on down to where you see check for updates and then click. Now, as of this recording, the version that Zoom has just released is 6.5.10. If you do not see this number or you don't see this message, you will be prompted to update your Zoom and just follow the steps to proceed to the end. It only takes a few minutes. Once you've installed that version or you're told that you are up to date, just return up there to your profile picture and then come on down to where it says settings. From here, notice the left sidebar and towards the bottom, click on statistics. When you get in there, the top gives you some information about your computer's processing. And if you look below there, there is a line item at the very bottom that says version. And if your number is not 6.5 point whatever, then you need to update Zoom. Now, as of this recording, Zoom may have updated already. And so that number may actually be higher. And that's okay. Just go ahead and follow the steps to update. Now I'm going to take you to the web portal at zoom.us because there's another way to get the Zoom Workplace app. Let's go take a look there. So here we are at Zoom's website, but we're actually at zoom.us/download. So go ahead and type that into your web browser and then press enter. And that brings up Zoom's download center. And all of this is free. Zoom wants you to have their Zoom Workplace app. Now I'm recording this on a Mac, so it says Zoom Workplace for Mac. It's determining it, detecting it. On your screen, it might say Zoom for Windows, and that's perfectly fine if it matches your computer. Below there, it tells you the version that is currently out, and below there is a button. Now, if you're on a Mac, you need to know whether your Mac has the Apple processor or the Intel processor. If you're on a Windows computer, it's most likely asking you if you have the 32-bit version or the 64-bit version. Very technical, but it's got to match your computer. So I'm going to go ahead and click, just show you very quickly in the top. After you click the button, the file, which is the application that you're downloading, is identified in the top right corner, most likely of your web browser. And it indicates on a Mac that it is the Zoom installer. And it ends in PKG. If you're on a Windows computer, it ends in EXE. So just look for that file and double click it. It is located in your downloads folder. So if you do not see this message in the upper right or lower left corner of your screen, then just go out to your downloads folder and look at the most recent downloads, and it'll be there if it was downloaded successfully. Go ahead and double click it and the Zoom Workplace app will be installed on your computer. Just keep in mind, you cannot be in a live Zoom meeting at that time. If you are, you will be asked to exit. It only takes a few minutes and then you can go back in. So this is good to do at least a day ahead of time before you are hosting your own Zoom meeting. And I'd recommend that after you install the new version, that you restart your computer. It's essential so that if there is a new update, any new features are installed and it won't be glitchy. So now let me tell you, when you're in your live meeting and you're thinking, oh no, did I update? I'm going to show you where to go inside the live meeting to tell what version you have. So let's go take a look there. Here we are inside a live Zoom meeting. And you can see my host toolbar is along the bottom. And whether you are the host or it's a smaller toolbar for a participant, the top of this screen is most likely the same. And right up there, you'll see a green shield. And that green shield has a little check mark in it. Now, yours might be amber color or orange color if you're in a meeting with someone else or a lot of people, because if there is a phone, if someone is attending from a mobile device, that shield up there will turn amber color. But not to worry, you can use this shield either way. Let's just go click up there, and it reveals a box that gives you the information about your meeting, the meeting title, the meeting ID. In the upper right corner of that, you can click on the gear. And from here, we're back to settings, where you can view the version at the bottom right-hand side. Make sure you're on the statistics line item on the left, and then you'll see your version on the right. If that version is out of date, then you're going to need to follow along either from the Zoom web portal or from your Zoom Workplace app home screen to run an update. And that's it. Now you know how to check your version and update Zoom. If you want to learn more hidden Zoom tips, just check out my video playlist linked below. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if this helped you. I'll see you in the next video.